Welcome back to Autotech 05. Today, we're diving into the exciting features of the 2026 Audi RS5 Avant, a high-performance luxury wagon that seamlessly blends power, style, and practicality. Body panels. The 2026 RS5 Avant showcases an evolutionary design with a wide body stance, featuring sculpted rear fenders that enhance its aggressive appearance. These meticulously crafted body panels not only provide a muscular aesthetic but also improve aerodynamics, contributing to better handling and fuel efficiency. Headlights. Equipped with advanced LED headlights, the RS5 Avant ensures superior illumination and safety. These headlights adapt to various driving conditions, providing optimal visibility during nighttime and adverse weather, thereby enhancing driver confidence and road safety. Taillights. The rear of the RS5 Avant features sleek LED taillights that complement its sporty design. These taillights offer improved visibility to other drivers, especially during braking and low light conditions, ensuring safety without compromising on style. Grille. Dominating the front fascia is Audi's signature single-frame grille, now larger and more pronounced. This bold grille not only reinforces the vehicle's sporty character but also allows for increased airflow to the engine, aiding in optimal performance. Seats. Inside, the RS5 Avant offers premium sport seats designed for maximum comfort and support during spirited drives. Upholstered in high-quality materials, these seats provide excellent lateral support, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Dashboard. The dashboard features a driver-centric layout with high-quality materials and finishes. Its intuitive design ensures that all controls are easily accessible, enhancing the overall driving experience. Infotainment system. At the heart of the dashboard lies Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen display. This system offers seamless integration with smartphones, navigation, and a premium audio experience, keeping drivers connected and entertained. Steering wheel. The flat-bottomed steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, providing a comfortable grip. Integrated multi-function controls allow drivers to manage various functions without taking their hands off the wheel, ensuring both convenience and safety. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 RS5 Avant is expected to retain a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering exhilarating performance. This power plant offers a harmonious balance between power and efficiency, making it suitable for both daily commutes and spirited drives. Transmission. Mated to the engine is a responsive automatic transmission that ensures smooth and quick gear shifts. This transmission enhances acceleration and overall driving dynamics, providing a thrilling yet controlled driving experience. Hybrid option. The 2026 RS5 Avant is anticipated to feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining the twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor. This setup aims to deliver enhanced performance while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. Exhaust system. The RS5 Avant's exhaust system is designed to produce a distinctive and exhilarating sound, enhancing the sensory experience of driving a high-performance vehicle. Additionally, it is engineered to optimize exhaust flow, contributing to improved engine performance. Airbags. Safety is paramount in the RS5 Avant, which comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system. Strategically placed airbags provide protection to occupants in the event of a collision, minimizing the risk of injury. Safety Sense 3.0. The RS5 Avant incorporates Audi's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes pre-collision system, detects potential frontal collisions and can apply brakes to prevent or mitigate impact. Lane departure alert, warns drivers if the vehicle unintentionally drifts out of its lane, promoting safer driving habits. Adaptive cruise control, maintains a set speed and distance from the vehicle ahead, reducing driver fatigue during long trips. Parking assist. Parking in tight spaces becomes effortless with the RS5 Avant's advanced parking assist system. Utilizing sensors and cameras, it guides drivers into parking spots, minimizing the risk of collisions and scratches. Blind spot monitoring. The blind spot monitoring system enhances safety by alerting drivers to vehicles approaching from behind or alongside, reducing the likelihood of side collisions during lane changes. As for pricing, the 2026 Audi RS5 Avant is expected to start at around $128,000 in the USA. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.